Welcome to this short guided meditation to release control. If you've been feeling like you're holding on to a person, situation, circumstance, or event too tightly, or maybe all the above too tightly, and you find yourself in a lot of tension, stress, and anxiety, this guided meditation is the right one for you. My name is Michelle I'm the author of 12 published books. I'm a meditation teacher and a Vedic master, and I'll be guiding you through this meditation. Go ahead and sit comfortably and close your eyes. Feel into your body. Relax your shoulders. Relax your jaw. A lot of times when we are trying to control things, we feel a lot of tension in our face, our jaw, and our teeth. Go ahead and relax, unclench your teeth. An added comfort level is placing the tip of your tongue to the roof of the mouth, behind the two front teeth on top. Gently placing the tongue there opens up your breathing even more. And with your tongue in this position, it's impossible to clench the jaw. Feel your eyes gently sinking into their eye sockets naturally so that you're releasing tension from your eyes. As you breathe even deeper, go ahead and release tension from your skull, from the crown of your head. Maybe in trying to control situations or people, you found that you have a lot of headaches or head tension as well. We're going to release that. Mindfully smooth out the wrinkles in your forehead that are often creased with worry and stress. Now notice the rhythm of your breathing, allowing your chest to gently rise and fall with each breath. Notice that as you relax, your body automatically goes into diaphragmatic breathing. So you'll notice that your belly will release into the breath. With your eyes still closed and relaxed, you're going to mindfully breathe in the words, I breathe in peace. And as you exhale, I let go of control. I breathe in peace. And I let go of control. Feel your shoulders relax as you sink into this meditation. I breathe in peace. And I let go of control. Now imagine you're holding a bundle of ropes in your hands. Each of these ropes represents something you're holding on to and attempting to control. Your relationships, your job, your twin flame journey, other people, your future. Notice how heavy these ropes feel in your hands. Now, with each inhalation and exhalation pair, you're going to release one of these ropes at a time. They were never yours to control in the first place. There's nothing you can do to force the outcome in any of these situations, circumstances, events, or people. Let go of the next rope. Notice how you feel lighter. Now let go of the next one. Notice what it represents. You're feeling lighter and lighter. The tension from your shoulders, neck, head, jaw, face are releasing more and more. Now, if there are any remaining ropes, allow them to slip through your fingers, letting them go. You're too relaxed to hold on to them anyway. Feel the release of those burdens. Feel the lightness in your body. See them falling into the hands of the divine, into the vastness of a loving source energy. As you release all of the ropes to the divine, notice how they dissolve. They're no longer there. It's like they disappeared into thin air. Letting out a large sigh, sinking deeper. In your mind's eye, repeat the following affirmations. I release what I cannot control. I release what I cannot control. I trust the divine flow of life. I trust the divine flow of life. I am held in love and guidance. Feeling the release. Feeling the peace. When you're ready, you can bring awareness back into your body, wiggling your fingers and wiggling your toes. You can either remain still in the after effects of this relaxing meditation, or you can slowly open your eyes. How do you feel? Doesn't it feel good to relinquish control over the things that you cannot control? It feels liberating and freeing. If you would like to learn more on how to embrace a spiritual life, do check out my book, The 8 Limbs of Yoga for Modern Times, and all of my published books on Amazon. I'm wishing you a beautiful, magical, and peaceful day. Namaste.